Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get Claude 4.5 Sonnet API key. If you want to use Claude 4.5 Sonnet in your apps, automations, or projects, you'll need an API key. One of the easiest ways to access Claude models without going through multiple providers is by using OpenRouter, which gives you a unified API for different AI models. To begin, open your browser and go to OpenRouter. Once you're on the platform, log into your account or sign up if you don't already have one. After logging in, look for the search bar on the dashboard. Click on it and type Claude 4.5 Sonnet. From the search results, select the Claude 4.5 Sonnet model. This will take you to the model's dedicated page. On the model page, you'll see several sections that help you understand how the model works. Start by checking the Overview section. This gives you a general idea of what the model is capable of and how it's typically used. Next, go to the Provider section. This shows you which providers are offering access to the model through OpenRouter. After that, take a look at the Performance section. Here you can see details about speed, cost, and output quality. Reviewing these sections helps you understand if the model fits your needs before using it. Once you've explored the model, look for the Quick Start section on the same page. Click on Quick Start. Here you'll find the option to create an API key. Click on Create API Key. You'll now be asked to fill in a few details. Name, give your API key a recognizable name. Credit limit, set how much usage you want to allow, and expiration, choose when the key should expire for security. Fill in these fields based on your preferences. After that, confirm the creation. Your API key will now be generated. Make sure to copy and store it safely, as you'll need it to make API requests. To summarize, getting a Claude 4.5 Sonnet API key using OpenRouter involves searching for the model, reviewing its overview, providers, and performance, then using the Quick Start section to create your API key with a name, credit limit, and expiration. This method lets you explore the model before generating your key. And that's how to get a Claude 4.5 Sonnet API key using the OpenRouter search and Quick Start method. By exploring the model first and then generating your key, you get a better understanding of what you're working with before integrating it into your projects. This approach is especially useful if you're comparing models or optimizing for performance and cost, since OpenRouter gives you visibility into all of that in one place. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.